Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Walgreens in-store video. So these deals are for the week of October 16th through October 22nd. And this week at Walgreens, I'm going to be using a booster. Spend $22, get back $6 in Walgreens cash, and we're going to pair that with a few other deals. So I plan on doing a total of 2 transactions. The first one will be me just trying to accumulate some points and rewards that I can then roll into my second transaction. So the first deal I'm going to be doing is on the personal care items this week. They are spend 20 and you'll get back a $5 registry reward. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up 2 of these Dove body wash. This week they are priced at $7 each. That'll make me to $14. Remember, I have to get to 22 in order to get back my $6 in Walgreens cash for also using the booster. So we're going to pick up 2 of these. That'll be $14. We do have a 7 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, which is a really great digital coupon. If you've already used yours, we do have BOGO coupons as well out there. I don't have them, so I'm going to go ahead and use my digital coupon to pick up some Dove body wash. So I was looking for the Dove body wash sensitive. However, my store didn't have any. So we're just going to grab one of these. That'll be $14 to go towards our spend 22, get $6 back in Walgreens cash. And the spend 20, get $5 back in the Walgreens registry reward. So I really didn't want to grab any toothpaste, but I saw that they were included in the spend 20, get $5 back, the registry reward. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up some toothpaste. This week they are priced at $4 each, the Crest toothpaste. Like I said, they are included as well. So I'm going to pick up 2. That'll be $8, and that'll get me exactly to $22 for my spend booster to get back my $6 in Walgreens cash. So for these, I have a 4 off of 1 digital coupon. That is the only reason I'm picking up this toothpaste, because it'll make my out-of-pocket less. And I also have a $2 digital coupon that I'm going to be using. So that is $6 off of 8, which is a really good deal for some toothpaste. And of course, I'll be getting back rewards as well. So we're going to grab both of these, add them to our spend 20, get $5 back, the registry reward. And for our spend 22, get $6 back in Walgreens cash. So just like that, we are done with the first transaction. Okay, so let's go over the first transaction once again. And also this could be newbie friendly. We're using all digital coupons. So we have the Crest toothpaste, $4 each. That's $8. We're going to use the 4 off of 1 and the 2 off of 1 digital coupons. And then the Dove body wash priced at $7 each. That's $14. We're at $22, and we're going to use the 7 off of 2 digital coupon. After all of my digital coupons, I'll be paying $9 out of pocket, but I'll get back $11, making this free, plus a $2 moneymaker. So with our rewards that we will be receiving from our first transaction, we're going to use them for our second to lower our out of pocket. And of course, I saw that the Arm & Hammer this week is priced at $1.99. You guys know Arm & Hammer is my favorite laundry item. So of course, I've already grabbed 3 of the Arm & Hammer detergent. I did have to look on the end cap for that in the front of the store because I thought it didn't have any more. So yeah, look around if you can't find something, or you can ask. So we got 3 of the Arm & Hammer at $1.99. I'm also going to pick up the Clorox Bleach. These are priced at $2.79 each. So I'm going to grab 2. Now we do have a 1 off of 2 digital coupon, and we have a $1.50 off of 2 digital coupon. I wasn't sure which one was going to come off, and you guys will see which one will come off when I show you my receipt. So we're going to grab both of these and add them to our second transaction. All right, guys, so I have everything here for my deals this week at Walgreens, but let's go over the second transaction once again. 3 of the Arm & Hammer priced at $1.99. No coupons for those. And then the Clorox Bleach priced at $2.79 each. The total will be $11.55. We're going to use a $1 digital coupon for the Clorox Bleach, and then roll $10 in Walgreens rewards to lower out of pocket and pay 55 cents plus tax out of pocket. So I'm going to go ahead and check out and then share with you guys my receipt. All right, guys, so I'm back in the car from Walgreens, and I have my second transaction here, which was 3 of the Arm & Hammer and then 2 of the Clorox Bleach. And my first transaction over here, the personal care
deal buying 2 of the Dove body wash and then 2 of the Crest toothpaste. So here is my receipt for the first transaction. There's the Dove, 2 at $7, and then 2 of the Crest toothpaste at $8. You see my 7 off of 2 came off for the Dove, the $4 digital coupon for the Crest, and then the $2 digital coupon for the other Crest toothpaste. And then my subtotal was $9 as I expected. And yeah, I did not roll any points, of course, because I was using the booster as well with this transaction. But I did get back the $6 in points right here and left me at $7.88. Not much, but I did go ahead and use that, and I rolled it into my second transaction. Now for my first, what also printed with my receipt was this 20% off when you spend 10, and I also got this as well. I was under the impression that it would be a registry reward like the regular ones, but I got this $5 off your next purchase of participating personal care items only. I was going to try to roll this into my second transaction. I wasn't aware that it was going to be one of these, so I did end up paying a little bit more out of pocket for my second transaction, but that's fine because you guys know the Arm & Hammer is my favorite, and there was none on the aisle, but I had to walk around the store and look on the end caps, and I finally found some. So here's my receipt for the second transaction. The Arm & Hammer, 3 at $1.99, and then the Clorox Bleach, 2 at $2.79. I had a $1 off of 2 digital coupon for the Clorox, and I had a $1.50 off of 2, so I wasn't sure which one was going to come off, but the $1.50 off of 2 digital coupon came off for the Clorox Bleach, and I was at $10.05 subtotal. I did go ahead and roll $5 in rewards, Walgreens cash, and I paid $5.05 plus tax out of pocket for my second transaction, and another one of these also printed with my receipt. So I never really get a chance to use these, but maybe I'll try to. I think you can only use these on items that aren't on sale, of course. Yeah, it does say regular price, Dove, Meek. Okay, so yeah guys, that is it for my Walgreens haul. Very satisfied. Got some Dove, got my favorite laundry detergent, and got some Clorox bleach and some toothpaste that I can definitely donate. So as you guys know, these breakdowns will be in the description box down below, so go ahead and check them out if you would like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as well, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.